Talking about capital, the number one issue that people think that they have is capital because they think they need the 20% or 25% down with the financing. Yes, that's possible. That is one way to do it. And that's how you use your own money. And you could do those through commercial loans, through secondary market loans, FHA, VA, whatever it is. So HELOC, you guys have probably heard this term a lot. So home equity line of credit. HELOCs will usually give you up to 75, sometimes 80% of what the value of your home is. Not what you bought it for, but what the actual value is of it today.
Basically, a HELOC is one big credit card. And if you're going to put a HELOC on it, which is great, it's a great strategy. However, have a strategy of paying it back as soon as possible.
When it comes to raising money, this has to do with using other people's money a little bit. A lot of people on the screen are in real estate. You have a database of people. Either you have a company that people have signed up for, have used you in the past, and you have all of their information. That's the fastest way to find capital.
You know, doctors, presidents of companies, investors that have a ton of money, have the conversations with them about borrowing it, at a certain rate. However, this is a great way to raise capital. Equity ownership and partnerships, Jesse, let's touch on that before moving on.
There's three pieces of a deal that need to happen for a deal to even come close to happening. And that is you need the deal itself, the contractors, if you're going to be flipping, because there's got to be renovations and there's got to be capital. When it comes to partnerships, if you have any one of those three pieces, you're good. You don't need anything else. You just need to find somebody else with the other two or the other one.